Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have
jerk chicken fried rice. First lady created something today. Let's try it.
And then we also have some salmon, some fried salmon that Richie threw together.
You know, we gotta have more meat, you know? Gotta have some more meat with it, you know what I'm saying?
Yes, and then we have the famous onions.
First lady favorite right there. Special made.
Now, I just have it on this side, honey, but of course you can have some. I just put it for, because we know you.
Alright, go on, money.
Okay.
See, it starts already and it start good.
Alright, so we are going to dig in, and you can eat my love. Just to let you guys know, if you want to know how I made this fried rice, I do have a video on how I make it. It's the same concept. The only difference is you're going to use leftover jerk chicken.
Leftovers, you remember? Leftovers.
We don't waste nothing.
Let me taste this salmon.
Jinx.
See, your salmon tastes good.
So we're going to taste your salmon.
Yeah, me and yours, man. One for all for one. Try that onion first. Fry good? Ain't a fry good, man. Too light, man. There we go. Let's go. We're going to take the first bite with it now.
It's really good.
Okay. Red lady, you made something. No? Put in sweet and sour on my thing.
We have this too.
Oh, yeah, that over there, so? So the hell, I don't even know me just drop a sauce in it. You know, seven up.
I'm gonna taste some on my rice. It's so weird because there's certain things I like sauce on, like gravy, like oxtail, curry goat, stewed peas, stewed chicken. Let me something there.
Yeah, man.
But certain things, I don't like sauce on it. I want to taste the food. Oh, that's good.
Is it right? Let me get some man. Because you don't have no part over here, right? It's all what you're in mind over here, so we're not unlimited.
Yeah, it's unlimited for you.
We're not unlimited, right? I'm at a buffet today. Yeah, homemade buffet.
For real.
Yeah, man. Nice, man. And we got the grace on deck, you know. I got a story about this in a few. Let me eat some food first. Yeah, first lady.
You know what I like? Is if you have leftover anything, it looks really good.
Looks good.
If you have leftover anything, you can turn it into a fried rice.
Yep, you could turn it into a fried rice. You could turn it to a next meal.
Yeah. I made some jerk chicken on the weekend. And I said, okay.
You ain't wasting that, rest of that.
Not wasting it. Cut it up. I made fried rice.
That's how you do it. You know what I'm saying? Create your own.
Yeah.
Oh, we're gonna do a series on that too. Create your own.
It's really good.
This is good. This is good. I ain't gonna lie.
I hope you guys had a good weekend.
Go and ask them question for real. Yeah. You know, first day, you had a good weekend? You sure did. Okay.
I can't have fish without the onion.
Oh, wow.
The onions.
I forgot about this.
I can't have it.
I forgot about this. Look at the onions.
Yeah.
Look at that. Dripping. Look at that. First lady special. Listen.
Ooh.
This onions, family,
Hot.
eat on your own risk. This onion don't play. I'm telling you that.
Our sauce is good, honey. Can I taste it? What you keep on checking me out for?
Hot man. Hot mama. Gotta make sure you're alright, you know? What I'm saying? Gotta make
okay?
sure yeah. You gotta make sure your camera ready. Huh? You just sideburns. Your baby here.
I'm surprised you know that.
I know everything. Drinking some water today. I know everything.
This sauce is really good. Red hot, sweet and chili. This is one of the things that Dame Dash used in his butter sauce.
Really?
So We always have it. That's why I said I love to make his sauce because it's so. We always have all the ingredients.
Yeah. Family. Leftovers is the best.
Yes.
Who like eating leftovers? I know a lot of people like eating leftovers. Sometimes I don't care. It could go a week and I'm eating it. So if you like leftovers like we do, tell us.
But it depends on what it is, honey.
What? It depends on what,
Yeah. But it's true. Leftovers is especially leftovers stew peas. Man.
They say leftovers taste the, that's the best food. Because everything's soaking.
Everything's soaking.
Yeah. Yeah.
And what we do, it's so funny that Richie says that because what we do is if we make something and there happen to be leftovers. No, honey.
What?
Normally they are leftovers. You know why? Because Richie always wants me to make a lot of food.
Yeah. That's true.
What we do is
Real talk. Yeah.
we freeze it, and I bought some little containers, and I put them in the freezer. We have a deep freezer, and I put them in there. And one time, remember the time you and your friends was in the garage?
Yo, we had all type of leftovers, and they said, "Man, first they just cooked." I said, "Nope." They said, "No way."
They was hanging out in the garage, him and his friends, for like
hours.
And I said to myself, you know, they must be hungry. So I said, listen, are you guys hungry? And I guess they was camera shy.
Yeah.
Or shy, whatever.
Yeah, shy.
And they was like, But one person said, I am. I said, okay. I had some stewed chicken with rice and peas and some vegetable. They was like, okay, I'll eat that.
Yeah.
That person ate that. Honey, the salmon is really good.
Nice, right?
Salmon is really good.
Great.
Then, about 15 minutes later, 20 minutes later, maybe 15, that one person was watching the other person eat their food and was like, oh man.
That look good.
So, here they go. Is there any more stewed chicken left? And I said, no, it's finished. But I have curry goat. So I was like,
Curry goat.
you got curry goat? I said, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll take that. Took it out of the freezer, put it on the stove, warmed it up. That person ate their curry goat. The next person said, you make a lot of food. I said, well, I have some smothered pork chops with mashed potatoes. Remember?
That was a hit, family. I was so tired, I couldn't even taste it.
The last person was like, okay, please, what? Okay, I'm gonna eat now because everything looks so good.
Yep.
I said, well, I had some stew peas, 4 different meals.
4 different freaking meals you had.
And I think I gave you some curry chicken with some dumpling and banana that we had left over. We freeze everything.
We freeze everything. We don't waste nothing. Trust me.
Because you never know when you feel like eating some stew peas, but you don't feel like cooking it. You know what I mean? Because it is a process.
Real talk. Yep. Don't make nothing go to waste, family. Freeze.
Your brother came the other day. He said, Shanice, what you guys have in the freezer? Because I know you have food in here.
We always have food in the freezer.
And I pulled out some stewed chicken and oxtail.
And look, you can get to eat now too. What minute there?
Work.
Oh, see? You got my oxtail. You got my oxtail, bro. Real talk. But yeah, family. Let's get into the story about this Grace. Remember, every time I show you this Grace, I said, do not play with Grace. Right?
You do say that.
I tell them, right? Story time. So, this happened in New York. So, one day now, me, my mother, and my brother then was going to church. And my friend, he always come over, right? I always come over. When he come over, he have his dinner and everything. Huh? I got my little bro. So, one Saturday now, right?
On Shabbat?
Yeah, for some reason we didn't go to church that Saturday. I was like about 12, 13. Yeah, 12, 13.
Wow.
Really? Long time ago, yeah. Yeah. Long time ago, probably 12, 13, or probably 14. Sometimes I don't know my age.
I didn't realize you was that young when it happened.
Yeah, it was young, yeah. You remember the story?
I always remember the stories.
So, oh, that did me sweat. So, we didn't go to church that Sabbath. Cause you know, as I said, my mother's a Seventh-day Adventist. She worship on Saturdays. So, he always see me eating the pepper. And everybody in the family eating the pepper. And he said, yo, why you eat that pepper so much? And it don't even look like it's hot. I said, yo, it's very hot. Remember, Grace now. I say it's very hot. You don't play with Grace. So my mother making a good breakfast, frying egg, making all kind of breakfast. So we all around the table now. And I said, he said to me, I want to try the pepper. I said, listen, this pepper is hot. He said, man, I don't care what you want to say. I'm going to try it. I said, okay. He said, better yet, I'm going to throw some in a bottle, in a cup. So he took a cup. This is how big the Grace was. Emptied out in the cup. Throwing.
All of it?
Not all of it, half of it.
Wow.
Like about right, like it was full, so he took like about right here.
Wow, that's a lot.
So I said, what are you doing? He said, I'm gonna show you this pepper ain't hot.
What?
I said, okay. Do the pepper.
For juicy man.
Yeah, man. Hold on. Drink some water. I'm coming. Come on, stop rushing me. I'm coming. Yeah, I just want to hear stories, man. Just relax. I'm gonna tell y'all. Stop rushing me. All right, family. Now, so back to the story now.
I was rushing you too.
I know you were. Back to the story now. Hello. So you threw half of the bottle into the cup. And he said, I bet you I drink this. I said, do not drink that. So it was me, my mother, and my brother. Was like, oh my God, please don't do it. He picked the cup up. I said, but he didn't finish it now. You see when he went like 4 or 5 times? Huh? Cup drop out of his hand. All you see is his eyes start bulging out. He start crying, tears coming down. So we looked at my mother and said, oh my freaking God. We all about to go to jail right now. You know what I'm saying? Because he drank a pepper. So I said, oh my gosh, he said, and he's in our house. So we start panicking. I said, oh my God, this boy really gonna drink the pepper. So he just started, his eyes started watering, started crying.
He was crying?
Yes, because the pepper is hot.
Wow.
Like we did 2-time sauce.
Yeah.
Start crying. So you gotta think fast. So if the pepper start burning somebody, you drink milk. You drink what? Sugar, right?
I don't know if it's sugar.
Yeah, something sweet.
Something sweet.
Yeah. And so we gave him milk, regular milk, condensed milk, and milk. Drank. Till it calmed down for like about, it was a while he was going on for a little while. So we got to give him everything, because he was like, eyes watering, crying.
Oh my God.
And we looking like, oh my freaking God. Look what the boy gonna do to himself now.
Why he did that for?
Because he said it's not hot. So 15 minutes after, he finally calmed down. He looked at me and said, oh my God, you was right. I don't play with Grace. I said, I told you don't play with Grace. Grace would do something. You hear the name Grace? It's a woman. Don't play with Grace. It's a woman. But yeah, that's why I always show you this. It's dangerous, man. Don't do it. That's why I said don't play with Grace, family. It's not a joke. You hear the name? There's not a man named Grace. It's a woman. Yeah. Don't look at me.
You had me until you said that.
No, you gotta be careful. That's what I tell you.
So, he didn't throw up? I thought he threw up.
Girl, I don't know what you would do. You know, all I do is already know. I said, you ever watch Martin when he did Life? I said, oh God, we're gonna do Life right now. I was like in the morning, like Life, like we're gonna do Life. You know what I'm saying? I said, oh my God. But he made it through. You know what I'm saying? We didn't force him, he did it. He poured himself, but that's the main thing, he was in our house.
Right.
So we would have get in trouble for it. But
even if you said no, he did it himself.
yeah, he still did it himself. We didn't pour it, he poured it himself. Well, yeah, that was the story though.
That man brave.
Brave. Yeah, man.
Brave.
Yeah, man. I would think I was gonna be in Life with Martin. As if the guy acting about my cornbread.
Hey, girl. You gonna eat your cornbread?
Come on. family.
Remember that part? That was so funny in that movie.
Eat your food, man, boy. You think you trick me when I have the food? She thinks she's silly. I'm telling my story and I'm eating at the same time. She didn't want me to eat up all the food.
I was eating very fast.
You're going to eat fast.
Yes, I was.
So, yeah. But if you never tried this, it sells in Walmart, you know? If you have Walmart, where you at? I know you have Walmart everywhere. I think so. Walmart's everywhere. I don't know where these places sometimes. But try it. Grace, I'm promoting. Okay.
For real?
Yeah. But yeah. Full? So good.
I love the my favorite part
The crunch. The crunchy. I know that, the crunchy part. Come on, girl. You think I just know you?
Honey, you know I like crunchy stuff. My favorite part, when I bite into it and it crunches, I love that.
Yeah.
You know, Carvel's is open now.
Where?
Carvel ice cream.
What, will they build one over here? Okay, we gotta check it out.
That was a good story, honey.
It was. But I was frightened and we was all scared, yo.
I've been scared too because,
Like, god damn, look what we gonna do now, man.
you know, I would have pushed them outside.
But the funny thing, family, no, family, the funny thing is, he always see us eating that pepper and telling us it's not hot, and we tell him it's hot. Hot, and he don't believe us. So that day, you see, if we went to church, that wouldn't happen.
Yeah, that's true.
Yeah, but you know, it was for some reason why we didn't go to church. But
Yeah.
my mother made a good breakfast, good breakfast.
But, because there's a lot of hot sauce that has more vinegar than it is hot, but not Grace. Grace is hot.
Grace hot, man.
You have more hotness than you do vinegar. All right, my love, I'm done.
You know, this segment right here. If you reach this far, you know you gotta hear this segment right here. Eat your food. First lady, go and eat, man.
I'm full. I'm still eating because I can't stop.
Pastor Richie segment coming up, no? Word of wisdom. It's coming up. Don't worry. Let me eat some more. It's coming up. Do you like the word of wisdom? Let me know. I got a lot. And again, they enjoying again. Interpret it in your own way. Ain't no wrong answer. It's how you feel, okay? Right, First Lady?
Well said.
Okay, Pastor Richie, I'm gonna give it to you. So just let me eat some more First Lady food. Cause I ate up mine already. And don't forget, we appreciate y'all.
Yes.
All of y'all. Real talk. You know what I'm saying?
Oh my goodness.
You full?
Yeah. This jerk chicken fried rice is really
This
good.
is good.
Anything can make fried rice. Leftover shrimp, leftover salmon. You just throw it in there. Leftover ground beef.
Anything that's left over.
Anything, any kind of meat, even tofu. Okay? For our vegetarians out there.
Okay. So the word of wisdom today is you was thirsty, First Lady. Word of wisdom today, First Lady. Right? Success comes with experience. Experience comes with a lot of mistakes. I'm gonna say it again. Success comes with experience.
Yep.
Experience comes with a lot of mistakes. Mistake. You see me? Mistake.
You gonna patch up on them?
Yeah, man. So, you interpret your way you want to interpret. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
But calm me down. I like how y'all give your feedback about that. You know what I'm saying? Appreciate that.
Oh.
But at this point, we ain't got nothing left, so you know the video's done. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the family.
Oh.
You know what I'm saying?
Yep.
We appreciate all of y'all. Thank you.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to watch us. We will see you next time for another mukbang. Bye.
Oh, you had to know. You look like